Hi guys, this is Travis, and today I will show you an Ethereum DeFi arbitrage bot that I've created using ChatGPT and Cloud Code. We'll cover the full complete flow from deployments to arbitrage transactions. Basically, the bot uses a smart contract to connect to the ETH mainnet to watch arbitrage opportunities on ERC20 mempools. If you like this kind of content, please guys leave a like. And now let's jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, here is how the bot system works. We begin with the Ethereum Solidity compiler to execute the bot's smart contract deployment. Solidity is the smart contract programming language. The bot's smart contracts then deploy the arbitrage bot. The arbitrage bot establishes connection with the ETH mainnet network. From the ETH mainnet network, the bot analyzes the ERC20 mempool for arbitrage opportunities. The bot primarily targets stablecoins as they have the largest liquidity pools. When the ERC20 mempool presents opportunities, the bot executes front-run transactions to earn returns. For deployment, you will need to use a wallet browser extension such as MetaMask, but you can also use Phantom, Rabi Wallet, or just Wallet. Alternatively, you can use your mobile wallet app with its embedded browser. So to deploy our bot on the Ethereum blockchain, we will need to utilize an Ethereum compilation tool. So open your browser and go through ethercompile.org. So ethercompile.org is an EVM compiler for either ERC20 and EVM developers to deploy smart contracts on the Ethereum network. So first click on new file to create a bot file. I would call it bot.so. Now that the file is ready, copy the bot code. Both the bot code and compiler links are available in the descriptions for you guys. So paste the code into the code area. After pasting, you can see that for the bot, we are using the 8.20 Solidity version. So go on the compile section. Once you're on the compile section, choose the right compiler, so 8.20. Then press the compile button and wait for the compilation to finish. So perfect. Once the compilation succeeds, proceed to the deploy section. So if you have already deployed your bot smart contract before, you can paste its address in the deployed contract section. But otherwise, select the right environment, so Ethereum mainnet network, and then make sure that the wallet chosen here is the wallet that you want to deploy your bot with. And then click the deploy smart contract to deploy the smart contract and pay the gas fees. So the deployment gas fees are actually pretty low. You can see it's only $2. So let's confirm. Now wait for the contract to deploy. So excellent, our bot is now deployed. So now copy the contract address of your bot, and then you can go on Etherscan. So Etherscan is the blockchain explorer for Ethereum. Paste your smart contract address, and here you can check that your contract is indeed deployed and that you are the contract creator the creator of the bot smart contract. So back on the interface. So now we will click on the GetLiquidityBalance. So obviously you will see that we will need to add some liquidity since we don't have any ether into our bot. So copy the contract address again. And now we will fund the bot with some ether. So here I'm going to fund the bot with 2 ether. So I'm sending 2 Ether to the contract address. There we go. So we'll keep in mind that the more Ethereum you use in your bots, the more arbitrage trades it get executed. So the transaction is now complete. So now I will use the GetLiquidityBalance again to confirm that the liquidity is now into our bots. So there we go. Now you can see that we have indeed 2 Ether into our bots. So the next step will be to start the bots. So click on the Start Bots function. It may take up to 20 seconds for the bot to initialize before arbitrage transactions appear. So there we go, the bot is now started. So we'll wait maybe for some transactions to appear. So here we already have some transactions going on. So we can see that the bot bought some Ether. No, actually some USDT, sorry. And then sold it for small profits. So only 10 cents, 11 cents and 10 cents. So it's not a lot, but that's a start. And from there, we will let it run for 24 hours and we will check the results, guys. See you then. All right, guys, we are back after running the bot for 24 hours. So now let's click on the GetLiquidityBalance to see how much the bot made. So as you can see, the bot produced some impressive profits, likely due to Ethereum mainnet congestions with the actual heavy network traffic. Now I will stop the bot, withdraw liquidity. So let's click on the Stop Bot button. And now let's click on the Withdrawal Liquidity button. And let's wait for the liquidity to get back into our wallet. So it can take up to 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute to appear into our wallet. Let's wait a bit. So the withdrawal is successful. So let's wait. So there we go, guys. The funds are now back into our wallet. So now, guys, so that's basically the entire workflow. So as I said, the more Ether you use in your bot, the more liquidity it has to generate profit. If you need some help with this bot, you can contact me on Telegram. The link is in the description. Please leave a thumbs up, guys, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.